If you are searching for an efficient way to host your workshop, host your courses in a really easy to understand platform, then we have the solution for you, because Miholearn is launching with PitchGround, and in this video we're going to show you how easy it is to set up your course inside of this platform. So let's dive in and take a look. Once inside the platform and you created your workspace, you can just press the workspace and log in. And from here, you're basically set to go and create your course. Before you create your course, you can also edit the homepage of your workspace, where people can go to and view your courses themselves. You can easily do this by pressing the Edit Site button. From here, a new tab will open and you'll be able to adjust this page itself. You can go to the global elements. You can set up your colors to match your own branding. If we go into the intro of the header, we can adjust the headline here. So we could say something like, you can also adjust your paragraph text, and you can adjust this and format this to your own liking. Then you also have the design tab. If you go to the design tab, you can adjust the layout to your own liking, which changes the layout a little bit as well. You will have a background color that you can adjust. So if you want to adjust this, just paste in your hex code and you are good to go. You can also add your intro image here. The recommendation is a square image by either PNG or JPEG. You can just upload it and then it will be displayed inside of this lime green circle. Once done, you can just press publish and then the changes will be published directly in real time. Under my courses overview, you can create a new course by going to the top right button. From here, you can give it a title and a description. Once done, you can also upload a course thumbnail. And as you can see, suggested is a square image by either PNG or JPEG. And you will also be able to add a video, either by video link, or you can upload a video as well. So either one will do. If you're done by either uploading a course thumbnail or by having a video link, then you can continue to the next step, where you can add the pricing. You can either also do it for a free course, a free workshop, for example, or you can add pricing. You can also give it a sort of discount. So the actual pricing, for example, could be $997 and the offered price could be $497. As you can see here, the course access can either be open or closed, and open means the course is available for purchase, and closed, the course is visible but not available for purchase. You can just open it, and if you press closed, then you can also have a starting date enabled. Once you're done with your settings, you can just create a course, and the course will then end up in your courses overview, as you can see right here. As you enter it, you will now be able to add sections and lessons inside the course itself. You can just go to add a new section, and once you filled in all the information, you can just go and create the section. Now we can add text, a video, a file, and assignments. The live lessons and the add quiz modules are currently not available, but these will be released in due time. You can just add a new video, for example, give it a title. Once you fill in the title and description, you can also add in the video, either by link or uploading a video. So now that I grabbed my link, I can just paste it in and then I'm done. We also have an option for a preview. So this means that visitors can preview this lesson before enrolling. So this is something that you can do. So certain lessons or sections can be made available for preview, basically a free trial, before you really dive into the good stuff. So let's enable this and also make this lesson mandatory. Then press the button Create Lesson. Now you have your first lesson inside, as you can see here, an introduction. If you want to take a look at how it currently looks like, you can always press the preview button on the top. It opens up a new tab, and from here you will see the overview, section description, section course description, and certificate, and then you will have the introduction module. It will then look something like this. And from here you can just add new sections towards the course, and once you're done, you can publish the course. Then we can say yes, publish course, and we'll end up on your course overview. The last part is the settings part, where you can customize a few more things. You can customize the full name, the workspace settings. You can also select the domain, either a Miholearn domain, or you can go for a custom domain. You can also, if you go with a Miholearn domain, you can always customize the subdomain to your own liking. You can also go to your account details and manage everything on this end. You can also go to the brand details. If you go to the brand details, you can upload your site logo and your site favicon. Last but not least, you also have payment details, so you can select the currencies, either Indian rupee or US dollars are now supported, and you can implement the payment gateway with Stripe. You can just enter the API key, the secret key, and then your Stripe account will be connected. Soon you will also be able to enable multiple payments, and this will allow customers, potential customers, to have more variety in the payment choices, which they actually prefer, and increase your chances of them getting onboarded for one of your courses. Last but not least, you will also have the integrations part, and at this stage only Zapier is supported, but in the future more integrations will become available. So you can see how Miholearn really simplifies creating a course and allows you to basically set up every single feature that you want inside of a course. You can add videos, you can add text, you can add assignments. Soon you will also be able to do live sessions, you will be able to add quizzes, and so much more. So be sure to grab yourself a copy of Miholearn today. The link will be on top and in the video description, and give it a try yourself. Have a great day, take care, talk soon.